amazing. Like, this was the best part of all INHORGENTA, and I actually came to INHORGENTA because of JEWELLUTION and because of the workshops, and it didn't disappoint me. I was super happy, and I even won a course with the jewelry school in Lisbon. So I'm really looking forward to it, and I probably will keep on coming just because of this, just because of your course.
That's why you are one of the best. So thank you for your amazing skills.
I've been coming for the last 3 years to INHORGENTA, and I have never missed coming to the GRS stand. So knowing that, I didn't even know that Pablo would be there. So just as soon as I saw him, I came directly here to watch his demonstration, and I would have never expected to win a prize with this and with you.
Why people should come to JEWELLUTION? Well, JEWELLUTION is a jewelry revolution. So if you want to be part of this change of how things are done, you are in the right place. You need to know more. You need to become a better craftsmanship. You need to become a better stone setter. You need to meet new people. You need more information in your lab. You need to see us. You need to participate in our giveaways. You need a JEWELLUTION.